Hi guys, finally my faucet has arrived from China after a month. Nice designer red and white color, will be a perfect fit for my downstairs bathroom, which I'll show you once I'll be installing this. Today we'll do a short unboxing and I'll make another movie showing how to easily and quickly install a faucet. So let's get on with it. Nice, even includes the necessary hardware for installation. Oh, very nice design. Even includes a double O-ring to assure a perfect water seal. Haven't seen ones like these in our local stores. And now for the faucet itself. What looks like the faucet is moist. So either water condensation or they have been testing it for water tightness and this leaked out. But really looks great. Excellent design, solid brass construction. Although it seems there's some type of galvanic surface treatment, you can see inside on the threads that it's actually brass, but there's some additional coating probably to prevent oxidation. Really nice. Operates smoothly. Includes this mounting hardware with additional gaskets. So we'll see more during the actual installation. Like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. Cheers!